Hi, my name is Dina. I'm a PT from Texas, and I have had the honor of taking membrane classes from Chi before, and I use it every day in my practice on adults and kids. Great for disabilities, like kids with disabilities, autism, uh, adults who have had, like, maybe they played football when they were younger, or car accidents, all sorts of things, and I get amazing results. So I came to this class to do to learn more advanced techniques for membranes, and it is absolutely amazing the difference that I, being an active physical therapist, have had numerous injuries, bike crashes, falls, different things, and I have been able to resolve issues that I had from a mountain biking accident, I don't know, like 20 years ago. Also, other injuries, another cycle accident from 5 years ago, and I just feel like my body has been reunited and realigned, and my gait is easier, my movement is easier, all my transitions are easier, my breathing is easier, my eyes open with less effort, and it's just less, I'm just more efficient in my everyday activities. It's amazing. Y'all gotta come.